Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi direct on an Android phone. To begin, ensure both your Android devices have Wi-Fi turned on. Then, open your phone settings and navigate to the Wi-Fi section. This is where you'll find the option to initiate a direct connection between devices without needing a router. It's a simple first step to enable fast, local file sharing. Once in your Wi-Fi settings, tap on the Wi-Fi Direct option. Your phone will then begin scanning for other compatible devices nearby. It's crucial that the other Android phone you wish to connect with also has its Wi-Fi Direct feature active and is discoverable. You should see a list populate with available devices, typically showing their device names, within a few seconds. After identifying the target device in the list, simply tap on its name to send a connection request. The receiving phone will then get a prompt to accept or decline the connection. Once accepted, a direct link is established. You can now share files like photos, videos, or documents by selecting them and choosing the share option, then selecting the connected Wi-Fi Direct device. Wi-Fi Direct offers significant advantages, especially for large files. You can expect transfer speeds of up to 250 megabits per second, which is much faster than Bluetooth. It's perfect for sharing high-resolution videos or hundreds of photos quickly. If you encounter connection issues, try toggling Wi-Fi off and on again on both phones, or ensure they are within a close range of about 10 meters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.